Welcome all, just back from another 2,100k ride over 6 days, and I thought it's worth doing another long-term review on the Rhinowalk for, I think they're 48 litre Panniers. So they've done about 10,000 k's worth of trips now. So we pretty much did a 1,000k trip in the high country, another 1,000k plus trip in the Grampians area, the out west tour last year around nearly 2,000 k's, and then the same trip pretty much now for the Hatter Hustle, going to see a Hatter Rally. So they've been going really well, as you can see here. I thought I'd leave my tent on here because this is obviously full. Then what I do is run straps on the motorbike frame where you grab handles, and down around here, 1, 2, and reef that as tight as you want, and it holds the tent on there perfectly. But yeah, so they're all perfect. She's stacked full, so this side fits. Just for people to know, for taking away how much they do fit, these 24 litre each. This has got a camping chair, it's got a travel mattress, it's got a flex tail pump for pumping up things, it's got a travel pillow, it's got a couple of the small little things, and it's got a massive big sleeping bag, and it's got another I think the Thermarest extreme sort of liner for your sleeping bag, take it down to lower temperatures. So that's pretty much all the sleeping gear and the sitting gear. And then this side here is just clothes. So this fits all my clothes in all roll top bags, or waterproof roll top bags, and then my Crocs strap on and clip on with some pins on the top here, just using all the straps. So yeah, she's working really well. So that's the Rhinowalk Panniers. And I had a few offs. I'll try to insert some video footage in. So I fell on this side, fair hard, and some mud puddles enough to crack the bike, and you know, bash these in a bit and get mud everywhere. Just whoa, shit. Fell on here and it was all fine, and then I fell on this side in the mud. And it didn't really do anything. I fell on this side gently onto the road, didn't do anything, so they're still all 100% waterproof. I'll show you the inside of this one, just have a quick look. So we had a wet ride, and you can see there's no water, nothing in there. So yeah, we've got liner, sleep mattress, seat, cushion and everything, and then the sleeping bag. So yeah, they're still all perfect. I've busted one strap I mentioned ages ago, but other than that, all the straps, everything's all perfect. So yeah, the Rhinowalk Panniers 48 litre bags, definitely worth buying. This is about 10,000 k's of off-road riding with them now. So if you like this video and others, feel free to check out my page, and yeah, give us a like or subscribe. Cheers.
There you go. How's your father?
Dare I say, Simon, that may have been the wrong one.